Greetings, Pastor Al. How's it going?
Hey, what's going on, Devine? How you doing?
Good, good. Listen, YouTube family, I just want to introduce again the founder of Resale Circle. I know a lot of people may not have heard about Resale Circle. It's been out for like 90 plus days at the time of this video. But the reality is, I've been a part of it since then, and I've been making moves. Things been going pretty quick, and a lot of people have connected, and a few people have been asking certain questions. So I'm interviewing Al here to find out the different nuances and how we can understand exactly how to move in the platform. That's cool with you, Pastor?
Absolutely. Let's do it. Let's get into it.
Okay, so again, when I first started, I came into the platform. There was two levels. There was a platinum level, and then there was a bronze level. And as we've grown, and the platform has grown, also, I realized that there's multiple levels. There's four levels now. I just wanted you to be able to expound on those levels a little bit. I got only five questions, just quick in and out. I just wanted to kind of explain a little bit about how those platforms started and what the levels exist and what do they each level mean.
Well, well, this is a program, and in this program, you can make money with this program. And with the levels that we have, it gives you an opportunity to scale up. And the higher level you on, the more opportunity you have to make money in this platform. So, just like you said already, there's four levels. We started with two, but with growth comes expansion and different things that we do. So I'll break it down for everyone who, heard about resale, or maybe you haven't heard about resale. Our first level is the guest level. So as a guest, you can come in, you can purchase digital products, and you do have an opportunity to share any of the products on the platform. So when you share products on the platform, you get 30% of whatever the selling price is. So if something sells for 100 and you recommend that to family and friends or post it on your website or social media, you actually get 30% of the sale. So our system, it tracks who sent the traffic, and then it, gives you the commission for that sale or whatever it is where that was purchased, and you receive 30% of whatever the asking price was. So that's what can happen for you on a entry level, guest level on the Resale Circle platform. So there is three more levels now, and that next level up would be considered a bronze level. Now, once you get to the bronze level, you're able to open up different income opportunities plus receive multiple tools that are beneficiary in internet marketing. All right. So we give you a free link tree, we give you landing pages, we give you training. Okay. You get a lot of things that come with your membership, but they all are designed to help you make more money with the platform as well as make things a lot easier for you so you don't have to go 100 different places to have everything in place here on this platform, which makes it like a one-stop shop. I think some members are calling it like a business in a box. Then we have two more levels after that. We have the platinum level. Now, the platinum level gives you an opportunity to sell your own digital products. So once you get into the platform and you get things moving, and you want to maybe develop and sell your own products, you can get a platinum membership to upload currently unlimited products. That may be capped in the future, but right now, as of this video and recording, is unlimited products you can put into the system. As far as being on that level, okay, because you get paid based on the level that you're on, you can at that level start receiving residual incomes. So I'll talk about the different incomes after, and if there's another question pertaining to that. But after that level is the Platinum Plus level. So with the Platinum Plus level, again, more doors open up, and you are able to get paid from all of what the other levels are doing when you bring individuals in, and you get commissions from sales. You get residual income for referring others that subscribe. So now you got subscription income, and you also get upfront commissions for the upfront fees on all of the levels. So if it's a bronze that come in, it's a one-time $27 fee, and if you come in as a platinum plus, it's a one-time 197 fee. But the majority of those fees actually get paid out in commissions. So those are kind of like the four levels that we have currently on the resale circle that benefits you depending on which level you want to be on.
Excellent, excellent. Now, why was it important to create a guest level with limited access instead of giving up everything like all the other levels?
Well, there's legal reasons, and then there's incentive reasons, and then there's removing as far as skepticism reasons. So there's a few reasons. So for one, we don't want to get mistaken for something where you have to pay to play. That's a very big thing in the industry, and you want to be careful with that. So we could reward you based off of performance and based off of access of after you purchase some things and bonus things to you. But we have to have that free level so we're not doing what the FTC would call pay to play. Now, the benefit of this free level is that you also could get in, you could start making money without paying anything, right? And you could also get to see how our system works for you as you bring customers in, which is a very key thing, which we'll probably talk about a little bit later. But customers and your own customers are very key in this particular program that we have because you eat off of the customers that you bring for a lifetime. Okay, so we have the FTC, we have you getting in just to experience stuff and pretty much remove skepticism. Um, a lot of people are skeptical in this day and age, which I understand that completely. There's a lot of scams out there. There's a lot of people that are charging 500, 600, maybe even thousands to get into programs that move absolutely nowhere. The benefit of our guest level is so that you can actually discover what we're doing and also start to, you know, the actions and the activity that you need to do in the program to start generating income or even to see the potential. So it's all there as far as why we have that free guest level.
Excellent, excellent. And so you structured it so that bronze members earn $20 out of the $27 that they bring as customers.
Yeah, so let's talk about that. So when you come in and you want to come off of the free level, you could upgrade and get the bronze level, which comes with a lot of bells and whistles and marketing tools that we give you to refer others into the program, sell products and stuff like that. But here's the thing. That is a one-time fee of $27. Now, every time you refer someone in and they become a bronze, from the $27, you get $20 as a affiliate commission. All right. And that's the current price right now. So as that price goes up in the future, you will be receiving a significant amount from the one-time fee that anyone you referred paid to come in on that bronze level. So that's how the bronze level works.
Okay, so let's go a little higher because we kind of understood the guest comes in for absolutely free, peruse the site, so to say, and also can promote and still attract customers from the promotions, and those customers are their customers for life. The next level is the bronze. The bronze comes in, get a few of the bells and whistles or access to everything, and they also promote. And in the promotions, they gain $20 out of $27 for the one-time fee. Now, let's talk a little bit. So we know that the platinum is there for commissions, and we're going to talk about commissions a little bit later, if you don't mind. My next question is, when we get higher to the platinum plus, let's talk about that level. If that's the premium of everything, how does that work?
Well, I mean, you got the platinum and then you have the platinum plus. Okay. So that plus, I guess, represents the addition that you get up from platinum. So I might be, I guess, uh, better to maybe explain what the platinum is so you know the volume of the platinum plus. But it's very simple. As a platinum, you subscribe to the platform and you receive unlimited space currently for your digital products. Now, you don't have to have a digital product to take part as a platinum. And the reason why is because once you become a platinum, it unlocks you to receive 40% a month from the subscriptions that
Mhm.
you refer. So every time you refer somebody, they pay $27, you actually receive $10.80 from that. If you have more than 10 subscribers, you actually receive 50%, which would be $13.50. And then to be honest with you, if you have 25 subscribers or more, you receive $16 for all of the subscribers that you have. So it now becomes a subscription business where you can find other creators and bring them to the platform and let them see all of the benefits that we have and the opportunity to get paid 7 ways, which is leverage for their efforts because a lot of people who are engaged in the activity that you're doing over here at Resell are not even opening up all of the additional ways that you can get paid. So once you understand this platform and the program and how it works, it can help you share the opportunity with others and make sense of it to them why they would make a transfer and come to Resell where they get paid 7 different ways. Now, One of the ways you get paid is it being a Platinum Plus, where you can get $175 every time you sign up or refer another Platinum Plus. That's today somebody just got a Platinum Plus, and it's probably their second one this month where they receive $175 up front. And it's 197 to become a Platinum Plus, but you get $175 commission. And that also offers you more things on the platform, from uploaded video modules, from access to the inner circle, where the inner circle is where we have like mastermind groups, discussions, and different things where it's just more benefits than just having a platinum or a bronze level membership. So you can scale up at any time, and it opens up the doors on every level to receive more income from the activities of those that you refer into the platform.
Well, I heard a word consistently, and I want to put another meeting together. I think I'm gonna save that word and that subscription and subscribers. And because I'm in the platform and I know how beneficial that is, I just want to save that for the next video. But I just wanted to leave that in the minds of the people of how important all of the things that you said, the finances opened up when you started talking about subscribers. So if you don't mind, I want to save that for another video if you have the opportunity to come back.
Not a problem.
All right. Thank you so much. I appreciate your time. And as always, I enjoy being here. It definitely changed a host of things from the books and the last videos that we done. Hope people take the chance to go look at the other videos that's prior to this one and the many more that's to come. So again, family, we thank you for your time. I appreciate you for listening. If you would subscribe, and somewhere in here is going to be a link that can connect you to Resale Circle. Again, my name is Divine Destiny Digital, and we talking here with the creator and the engineer behind Resale Circle, Pastor Millionaire Coach Al.
Peace. God bless
Peace.
you.
Jesus.